Hi, friends. Welcome to another episode of Paul's Ministry. Friends, today we are talking about Sree Narayana Guru. Sree Narayana Guru Devan was a spiritual leader and social reformer in India. Born into a family of the Edava caste in an era when people from such communities were regarded as avarnas or untouchable. He was born in August 28, 1885. He led a reform movement in Kerala against the injustice in the caste-ridden society of Kerala in order to promote spiritual enlightenment and social equality. At the age of 21, he learned Sanskrit, Vedas and Upanishad under the Raman Pillai Ashan. A year later, he married but soon dissociated himself from the marriage to commence his public life as a social reformer. Leaving home, Guru travelled through Kerala and Tamil Nadu, and it was during these journeys he met Chattambi Swamigal, a social and religious reformer. Guru learned meditation and yoga by the help of him. He continued his wandering until he reached Maruthuamala, where he stepped up an heritage and practiced meditation and yoga for the next 8 years. In the year 1888, he visited Aripuram and he consulated a piece of rock taken from the river as the idol of Lord Shiva. This art, which later came to be known as Aripuram Pradishta, created a social commotion among the upper caste Brahmins. The Sree Narayana Dharma Paribalana Yogam SNDP was formed on 15 May 1903 by Dr. Palpu with Narayana Guru as its founder president. Guru shifted his base to Shivagiri near Varkala in 1904, where he opened a school for children from lower caste and also provided free education without considering their caste. He built temples in many places such as Thrissur, Kannur, Anjudanga, Talaseri, Kozhikode and Mangalore, and it took him to many places including Sri Lanka, where he made final visit in 1926. He died on 20 September 1928 at the age of 73. Nirvadi Panchangam, Deiva Dashagam, Gesendri Moksham Vangjipat are the famous liturgy work of Guru. His famous quote was,
"One caste, one religion, one God for men."
Thank you.